Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to link Facebook with Instagram. Let's get started. Firstly, you may open Instagram. Tap on your profile icon in the bottom right corner of the screen. Then, tap on the three horizontal lines in the top right corner or the menu. You'll find Settings and Privacy at the topmost part. Click on it, and you'll easily see the Accounts Center option. And tap on it as well. There, you see your profiles that are selected in your meta accounts. You may also do this via Facebook by opening your Facebook account, selecting Menu at the bottom right corner of your screen, scrolling down to see Settings. Then click on the See More in the Account Center, and you'll see the same interface as that of Instagram. To sync your profiles, just click on the profile that you want to link your account with. Then, just click the profile and click Sync Profile Info. Confirm that you want to link these profiles by tapping on Sync Profile Info once again. And that's it. Your Instagram account is now linked with Facebook. If you have found this video helpful, simply leave a like below or subscribe because it helps me reach more people. See you soon!